Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got an item to share with you today from Easy Craft Art. They were kind enough to send me a big painting to share with you all. So let me get in it. It's always a good start, isn't it? This one is split, so it is a multi-panel, but it's not different sizes. So it has 20 colours and it does come with the DMC numbers for them. It comes with a couple of toolkits and we do get a multi-placer in one of those if you like to use multi-placers. But this is the image. I thought that would look amazing on a, well, any wall probably, bedroom wall, front room wall. Nice piece of artwork. It has, it has 20 colours. It is a round and it does come with the DMC numbers. It just uses letters and numbers for the code, which is always good. It's one we associate with the best, isn't it? And just to show you sort of a confetti area, the symbols are nice and clear, so you can make them all out. So we've got a busier panel, not so busy, quieter panel. Is that way? Busy, quiet. Each panel is about 26.5 centimetres. Are they all the same? 26.5, yes. So the 26.5 across, and then height-wise, they are just a smidge short of 40 centimetres per panel. And they are the same. So you could get these, mount them. You could either mount them in 3 frames, especially if you had a thin frame, a thin edge to the frame. You could mount them in 3 frames, or you could mount them in foam board, or you could indeed use the clips on the top and the bottom and hang them as like 3 posters. There's a few different ways you could frame these to make them look different. Because they're all the same size helps. Oh. Okay, let's have a look at how many sort of bags of some of the colours do we get. So we do have a couple of that yellow. We've then got some of the more muted colours and indeed the white, of which they're pretty full bags, but there's only 1 bag of each of those. And then this is where we have a few more duplicates. So they're all 1 bag. And of course that's the colouring in the tree. And there's a bit of the blues. 2 bags of what looks like black. Yeah, so 2 bags of 310. Then we've got a few bags of this sort of burnt orange colour. Some greens, 2 bags of the same green there. 2 bags of grey. 2 bags of pale green. And 3 bags of the yellow. Is that the same yellow as before? It is. So actually the one we have the most of is we have 5 bags of that yellow, which will be quite a bit of this middle section. Let's fight with them later. Just throw stuff about. So of course we've got 5 bags of what's quite a lot in here. There is, you know, some block work in there, but it's not too much. Considering this is the one where you'll find, you know, you'll find here that that's quite a fair size block of the same one. But you've definitely still got some variety and some shading in with that. And of course you get a lot more confetti up this end. So I would probably start on this one and move my way across. While I quite enjoy working in blocks of the same colour, I don't mind it. If it becomes the same colour time and time again, it can get a bit boring, so I would probably start with this one, with the excitement of the painting being new. Then I'd move on to this one that gives me a little bit more variety with that branch, and then I'd move on to this one where it's got all sorts of colours in it. I'd probably also on this one start from the bottom, and then I get quite a bit of confetti at the top, little bit of difference, and yeah, keeps the artwork fun. And then it can get hung up, I say, in a variety of different ways on a wall, and it's all one picture but also different. So I will pop a link to this down below. Thank you so much to Easy Craft Art for sending me this to share with you all. I hope you like it too, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.